Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to the transform properties in Alight Motion. Transform property is very useful. If you're animating, you are 90% likely to use it. So let me show you how to access and use the transform property in Alight Motion. Now, for every layer you create, that layer adds a transform property. So let's go and let's just add a shape layer. Let's add a star. Now, in order to access our transform properties, let's go to our move and transform this tab here. So let's click to activate it. Now you can see the one that is highlighted, automatically highlighted, is the location, or you can call it the position. So if you swap around, it's used to move your layer around. Very important. Now the next one we have is the rotation. This does what it says. It's used to rotate your layers. Now the next one is the scale. This is used to scale up, scale down your layer. But if you see it has this link icon, that means this layer is being scaled proportionally. Now if I click on this, it's going to split it into two. That means this is the width and this is the height. Now they are no longer scaled proportionally. So now if I scroll on this particular one, you can see it only increased the width, while this only increase the height. And you can click back to link two of them back together, and that's fine. Now the last one we have here is the skew. So if I click to activate it, you can see, you can just scroll around to see what it does, and probably we'll be using it in one of our projects, but that's what the skew does. It's just used to skew your layers. All right, so that's all you need to know about the transform properties in Alight Motion. Thank you.